Come test drive the 2018 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, navigation system, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Your new ride is just a phone call away.